Hello guys, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a video tutorial about the game called Devil May Cry Peak of Combat, and I'm going to show you how I got a mod. So I'm going to show you a little bit of gameplay with this new mod, guys, which is totally insane, and it works for both devices, iOS and Android. So just let me open the game and I'll show you everything, guys. So basically, as I mentioned before, the mod it can be done in all kind of devices, iOS and Android. So make sure you're gonna watch this tutorial until the end, guys, if you want to learn it how to do it. So I'm going to explain it, okay? Just to enter inside of the game, and you will see it by yourself how it looks, the mod. Okay, one second, just to skip this part, guys. Okay, again, came again another one, sorry guys. All right, so all you have to do is just need to go to the vault over here and look at this, guys. All right, you will get unlimited devil gems, guys, and I'm going to explain to you that how you can do it. So basically, guys, before we start the whole process, I just need to mention a few things. You need to make 2 changes in the settings, and these steps I'm going to show you right now are required just for the iOS users. If you are an Android user, you can skip this part in the video, okay? For the iOS users, you just have to go to your settings, and then you have to scroll it down to general, and then you have this option background up refresh here, and then again on the top, and then make sure you're going to select this Wi-Fi mobile data. Why this is important? Is important because like this you will be connected with Wi-Fi and have the mobile data active same time, so the whole process will not interrupt because of internet connection, okay? So the whole process will not fail because of internet. The second step, you have to get back to the settings, scroll it down to App Store, and here where it is written automatic downloads, you have this app downloads. Make sure you're gonna keep it on so it can make automatic downloading, okay? So it doesn't make any trouble during the process. So as I mentioned before, these steps are required just for the iOS users. For the Android users, they don't need to do these changes in the settings, okay? Then next, guys, all you have to do, you just need to go to your internet browser, then go here in the searching bar, type for the name of this website where I find it of the mod. It's called Find APK Mods, and then scroll it down. Okay, here we are. And then you have a lot of other apps and mods you can check later if you're interested for something else. I'm going to just go into search in the searching bar. It's easier to find. All right, here it is. Press in the middle, then install, guys. You just need to wait a few seconds for the whole process to be done, and it will be easy steps to complete after in order to get the mod. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.